Ever wonder why some air fryers give you that perfect golden crunch while others just don't quite hit it? The truth is, not all forecourt air fryers are built the same. Some focus on power, others on design. But the best forecourt air fryer models manage to balance both beautifully. Today, we're looking at 5 of the top contenders that really stand out. And while I remember, if you're curious about any of them, you'll find links to the current prices down in the description. By the way, I'm honestly super interested to hear which size air fryer you're currently using or thinking about getting, so drop a quick comment and let me know because I'd love to see what everyone's cooking with. Let's start with the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer, a compact yet capable model designed for everyday convenience. When you first see it, the slim design immediately stands out. It's lightweight, modern, and fits easily into small kitchens or dorm spaces without feeling cramped. The matte finish gives it a clean, understated look, and its compact footprint means you can leave it on your countertop without losing precious space. Despite its smaller size, the 4-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals for 2 or 3 people, letting you cook crispy fries, chicken tenders, or roasted vegetables in one go. As you start using the Bella Slim air fryer, you'll notice how intuitive it feels. The simple analog controls, one dial for temperature and one for time, make it easy to operate without any learning curve. It heats up quickly, reaching temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and maintains that heat evenly throughout the cooking cycle. You'll appreciate how the convection fan circulates air efficiently, ensuring that your food crisps up evenly on all sides. You can expect that satisfying crunch on the outside with tender, juicy interiors, exactly what you want from the best 4-quart air fryer in its class. Another benefit is its quiet performance. The Bella operates smoothly, allowing you to carry on a conversation or watch TV while it cooks. The nonstick basket slides out effortlessly and it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup takes seconds. You won't have to deal with greasy residue or stuck-on crumbs. The lightweight design also makes it easy to move or store when not in use, which is perfect if you like to keep your counters clear. In daily use, the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer feels like a reliable kitchen companion. Simple, efficient, and consistent. It's ideal for those who want great results without fussing over digital menus or complicated settings. You'll find yourself reaching for it more often than you expect, whether you're making a quick snack or reheating leftovers to restaurant-level crispness. Next, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer 4.5-quart basket fryer, a model that instantly conveys quality the moment you unbox it. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives it a professional look and a sturdy feel, making it a natural fit for any modern kitchen. It's slightly larger than most 4-quart models, offering an extra half-quart of space that gives you a bit more flexibility when cooking for family or guests. The build quality is exceptional and everything feels solid from the handle to the control panel. When you start cooking with the Cuisinart, you'll notice how quickly it preheats and how evenly it distributes heat. The air circulation system is powerful and efficient, ensuring that your food crisps evenly without needing to shake the basket constantly. The digital control panel is precise and responsive, with clear icons and adjustable temperature and time settings. You can easily switch between air frying, roasting, and reheating modes, each one fine-tuned for optimal performance. What makes the Cuisinart stand out in 4-quart air fryer reviews is its consistency. Whether you're cooking chicken wings, vegetables, or even small baked goods, the results are uniform every time. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The temperature accuracy is impressive, and it maintains heat throughout the cooking process, eliminating the need to babysit your food. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel finish resists fingerprints, keeping your appliance looking sleek even after heavy use. Once you start using it regularly, you'll appreciate how Cuisinart manages to blend durability with elegance. It's the kind of air fryer that feels like it belongs in a professional kitchen, but is intuitive enough for everyday home cooking. Every meal feels effortless, and the combination of performance and aesthetics makes it one of the best rated 4-quart air fryer models available today. Let me know in the comments which of these features matters most to you: capacity, design, or ease of cleaning, because I'm genuinely curious what people value most in an air fryer. Moving on to the COSORI air fryer 4-quart, this model represents a perfect balance between smart design and efficient performance. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, modern look. Clean lines, a compact frame, and a bright digital display that makes it feel more like a high-end appliance than a simple fryer. The 4-quart basket is ideal for small families or couples, and it's designed to maximize cooking space while maintaining airflow efficiency. When you use the COSORI, you'll quickly understand why it's so popular in 4-quart air fryer review discussions. The digital interface offers multiple one-touch presets for common foods like fries, chicken, seafood, and vegetables. The temperature range spans from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to dehydrate, bake, or crisp with precision. Its 1500-watt heating system and rapid air circulation technology ensure fast, even cooking, delivering that perfect crunch without using much oil. You'll love how quickly it preheats, usually in just a few minutes, and how consistent the results are from batch to batch. The COSORI's non-stick basket is both BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is quick and easy. You'll also notice how quietly it operates, making it pleasant to use even during busy evenings. The controls are intuitive, and the LED display is bright and easy to read, even in low light. It's ideal for those who appreciate a sleek, modern appliance that performs as beautifully as it looks. Over time, you'll find that the COSORI becomes one of your most used kitchen tools. It's perfect for weeknight meals, quick snacks, or even reheating leftovers to crispy perfection. Every detail, from the ergonomic handle to the smooth digital interface, feels carefully considered. It's a model that combines convenience, precision, and style in a way that few others do. Now let's talk about the Instant Pot 4, Quart Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer, a compact powerhouse that brings Instant's famous versatility to the air frying world. The stainless steel exterior gives it a polished, modern look, and its 4-quart capacity makes it perfect for small families or couples who want a multifunction appliance without taking up too much space. The 6-in-1 in its name really means something. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all from one compact unit. The digital touchscreen is sleek and easy to navigate, with 6 customizable programs that let you switch between cooking modes effortlessly. The Even Crisp technology ensures that hot air flows evenly around your food, giving you that perfect golden crunch on the outside and tender juiciness inside. You'll appreciate how quickly it preheats and how little oil it requires to achieve restaurant-quality results. The basket is large enough to handle a pound of fries or a few pieces of chicken, and the non-stick coating makes it easy to clean afterward. The quiet operation and efficient airflow system make it ideal for everyday use, whether you're preparing a quick lunch or a full dinner. Once you get used to the Vortex Plus, you'll find that it replaces several other appliances in your kitchen. It's versatile, reliable, and consistent. Everything you'd expect from the Instant brand. It's not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one cooking solution that fits perfectly into any best 4-quart air fryer lineup. Finally, we come to the Ninja AF101, a model that has become a benchmark in the world of air fryers. The moment you turn it on, you can feel the quality. It's solid, well-built, and thoughtfully designed. The 4-quart ceramic-coated basket is non-stick, easy to clean, and large enough to cook for 2 or 3 people. The Ninja AF101 offers 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The temperature range runs from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you incredible flexibility, whether you're gently dehydrating fruit or crisping up wings. The fan system is powerful and evenly distributes heat, ensuring that your food comes out perfectly cooked every time. You'll love how fast it preheats and how consistent it is, batch after batch. The control panel is simple and intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and a bright digital display. It's easy to set your time and temperature, and the results are always predictable and delicious. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. When you use the Ninja AF101, you'll notice how effortless it makes cooking feel. It's fast, reliable, and delivers that perfect crispness that air fryer fans crave. It's no surprise that it consistently ranks as one of the best-rated 4-quart air fryer models on the market, praised for its reliability and performance. If you've used a Ninja before, I genuinely love to know what your go-to dish is in it. So share it down below because I'm super curious what everyone's favorite air fryer meals are. So, which one of these air fryers sounds like the right fit for your kitchen? Each brings something unique, whether it's the Bella's simplicity, the Cuisinart's durability, the COSORI's smart design, the Instant's versatility, or the Ninja's proven performance. No matter which you choose, you'll be able to enjoy crisp, flavorful meals with less oil and less effort. And if you'd like to check out the current prices or learn more about any of these models, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description box below.